Today, we're exploring two of the most charming and picturesque spots in Athens, Greece. The famous Mnisikleous stairs and the beautiful neighbourhood of Anafiotika. Mnisikleous stairs is one of the most iconic places in Plaka. These beautiful marble steps climb up the hillside and are lined with cafes, restaurants, and cozy terraces. As we walked up the steps, we could see colourful flowers, traditional architecture, and all the interesting outdoor seating areas that create a scene that feels timeless. We came here around 4 p.m. and it was actually pretty relaxed. But apparently, after 7 p.m. in the evening, the stairs come alive, buzzing with people and some restaurants offering live music. We didn't stay that late, but I can definitely imagine the atmosphere being amazing at night. We found a pretty restaurant with great food and decided to try it. The prices are a bit on the higher side, as you can imagine, but it was so worth it. Now we're heading up to Anafiotika, which is a quiet little neighbourhood just beneath the Acropolis. Which, because of the whitewashed houses and stairs, apparently look just like the Greek Santorini. The story is that this neighbourhood was built about 200 years ago by workers from the Greek island of Anafi. They came to Athens and built homes in the same Cycladic style as on their island, which is why this area looks so different from the rest of the city. Everything here is painted in white, with narrow alleyways, tiny houses, colourful flowers, and endless photo opportunities. We spoke to a local and they said no locals live here anymore, and all the houses here have been turned into Airbnbs. As beautiful as it is, be prepared for some seriously crazy staircases. The steps are completely irregular, different heights, widths, and angle. Also, as these white stairs are made of marble, they can get pretty slippery if they're wet. So take your time when climbing them. At the very top, we were standing at the highest point of Plaka, with incredible views across Athens. You can even see the Lycabettus hill from here. if you're visiting Athens, I definitely recommend taking some time to wander through Mnisikleous stairs and Anafiotica. It's one of the most unique and photogenic corners of the city. And honestly, one of our favorite places to explore.